In Capital Electra X, you can directly import components and layouts from thousands of manufacturers through the integrated CADENAS Cloud Part Library, 3D Find It. This centralized library is accessible within the Capital Electra X component database. Simply select Import from 3D Find It to expand the 3D Find It window. Search for your required component and select the one you need. With a click of Send to CAD, both the component and its layout symbol are automatically imported into Capital Electra X and ready for use. You can now easily assign the new component to a symbol and generate a layout. By gaining access to millions of components from thousands of manufacturers in no time, this powerful integration streamlines your workflow, saving you valuable time and significantly boosting your productivity. It is that easy. Sign up for a free trial today.